Realtor.com is a comprehensive real estate platform that helps users buy, sell, or rent properties. Here's a guide on how to use it effectively. Property search. Start by entering a location, neighborhood, or zip code in the search bar. Use filters to narrow down results based on price, property type, number of bedrooms or bathrooms, and more. Listing details. Click on a property listing to view detailed information, including photos, property features, price history, and neighborhood insights. Save favorites. Create an account to save favorite listings, compare properties, and receive alerts for new listings or price changes. Find agents. Search for real estate agents in specific areas or based on specialties. Contact agents directly through the platform for assistance with buying, selling, or renting. Tools and calculators. Use mortgage calculators, affordability calculators, and home value estimates to aid in financial planning and decision making. Market trends. Access local market trends, housing market forecasts, and neighborhood data to understand current real estate conditions. Mobile app. Download the Realtor.com mobile app for convenient access to listings, saved searches, and notifications on the go. Resources. Explore articles, guides, and videos on real estate topics such as home buying tips, selling strategies, and renovation advice.